So this is quite a lengthy and professional document that was generated in Claude AI. So you can actually download this content as a DOCX format, which is a format that is supported in Microsoft Word and also Google Docs. So let me show you how you can easily create a DOCX document like this using Claude AI, and you can even convert other files into this very format. So let's get into it. Let's open Claude.ai, and here I'm just using the desktop web version of the platform, and make sure that you have subscribed to the paid version of the platform, because there is one feature that we must enable, and it is only available if you are paying for this AI tool. Now let's open the profile, go to settings, and we want to navigate to setting called capabilities, and make sure to enable the code execution and file creation option, and also allow network egress. So these are two settings that you must enable on your account. Now let me just go back. So here again, you can start creating a document from scratch, but you can also just upload your other documents, let's say PDF or perhaps markdown documents into Claude AI, and then you can tell it to convert those files into DOCX. But in this case, I just want to do a quick research using Claude AI, and after that, I want to get the DOCX version of that document or that research. Now, this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Please do a research about the benefit of using AI for marketing, and make sure that it is based on some real examples. And after that, please generate a DOCX document that I can download. So essentially, you want to make sure that you are explicitly mentioned that you want to create a DOCX document. Otherwise, AI might be creating a different file. Now, you can enable other features, and also you can enable an extra thinking, but this is optional. After that, let's send a message, and later I'll show you how you can download. And also there are some cool capabilities of this DOCX generation on Claude AI that do not exist even on Gemini or ChatGPT. Anyway, I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the next step. Alright, so finally I got the result. If you scroll down to the very end, you can click this button to preview the document on the web. And this is the DOCX document that was created by Claude AI. So it looks quite decent, and if you want to download this, you can click this download button, or you can also just open it and then save it via to Google Drive. Now, there is one thing that I want to show to you. So here, let's say you don't like the way the document looks. Fortunately, there are lots of customizations and formatting that you can apply to the document. So for example, I want to please add some line height to the document. I want it to be 1.15, and I prefer the color accent to be soft orange, and also please use font that is a bit more modern and corporate style. Okay, let me just double check the prompting, and there you go. Let me just send a message. So those are a few examples that you can apply to the document. Now you cannot edit the document, like you can manually insert text right here, but you can tell AI to do something about the document. And these are some formatting options or customizations that you can apply. You can make text to be bold, italic, underline, change the font size, you can adjust the alignment, create lists, tables. You can even import images, although you probably have to upload the image or perhaps provide a link to that image. Also, you can include hyperlinks, create some more advanced features. You can create conclusion and many other cool things that will make the document to be more professional and visually appealing. So these are amazing, and again, they do not exist on Gemini. So Gemini actually gives you the option to work directly on the canvas feature, but there is no option. There is no way it can adjust the line height or change the font and other formatting. So this is still basic, but here in Claude AI you can do quite a lot of cool things. So that's what I like about creating a Google Docs or DOCX document in this platform. Anyway, it is still thinking and still modifying the document. I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the final result in a second. Okay, so I actually add other customizations behind the scene, but as you can see, it looks a bit different than the first iteration. Now, just to give you a reminder, this is what the original document looked like. As you can see, I would say the version that is new, this orange version, seems to be a lot more appealing than this version. It is not bad, but I would say this one is slightly better across the board. So that's basically how you can create or generate a DOCX document using Claude AI, and you can even convert other documents like PDF or Excel into this format using this amazing AI tool. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.